Are you looking for the best miter saws? In this video we will look at some of the best miter saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosch GCM12SD. Unlike most sliding saws that use rails to slide the blade forward and backward, this Bosch miter saw uses an axial arm mechanism that eliminates the need for rear clearance. This unique design, also used by the Bosch GCM18V12 allows the saw to take up considerably less space on your workbench without compromising overall cut capacity. We love the lever locks that secure the arm in place during transport, although we weren't as much of a fan of the saw's hefty, 65-pound weight, and the smoothness of the arm, combined with the rubber handle grip, made this an especially comfortable saw to operate. It's worth noting that while the clear blade guard, compared to the black of the DEWALT models, provides a clearer view of the cut line, this saw lacks a shadow or laser line feature. Number 2. Metabo HPT Metabo. If you're tackling a lot of basic builds in your home and are in the market for a great entry-level saw, this one from Metabo checks a lot of boxes for tasks like installing new baseboard molding or replacing the stairs on your back deck. It's light and easy to move, something many miters understandably struggle with, and it delivers a fast, smooth, and clean cut. This saw carries like a toolbox, so you can bring it indoors without the risk of marring up your walls or trim as you do. And with its shadow line system and 5,000 revolutions per minute motor, it really is a perfect entry point for those just discovering the wonder of a good miter saw. Number 3. DEWALT DWS780 12-inch. The DEWALT DWS780 12-inch sliding compound miter saw has been designed to be precise and accurate enough for fine woodworking, yet durable enough for framing and deck building. The DWS780 is ideal for a variety of end users, including cabinet makers, trim carpenters, framers, installers, and many other professional contractors who require a product that delivers the accuracy, capacity, durability, portability, and ease of use that this saw offers. For visibility and accuracy when cutting, this saw features the XPS LED light and cut alignment system that casts a laser-like shadow on the work surface, showing users where the blade will come in contact with the material. Since it does not require recalibration over time or when changing blades, this alignment system can be more accurate and durable than traditional laser guides. The saw's dual bevel system includes the ability to bevel right and left from 0 to 49 degrees with positive stops at 0, 22.5, 33.9, 45, and 49 degrees in both directions, as well as a high visibility bevel scale. The saw also miters 60 degrees to the right and 50 degrees to the left and features an adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 10 positive stops, allowing for fast and easy adjustments. A cam lock miter button allows users to lock angles between detents for versatility on the job site. Number 4. Bosch GCM18V12 GDCN14. This Bosch 12 inches miter saw features the axial glide system and bi-turbo brushless technology to deliver a professional cordless solution to the job site. The GCM18V12 GDC features the Bosch exclusive axial glide for wider crosscuts, enhanced alignment, and smooth glide for the life of the tool. This system features an articulating arm with no slide arms behind the saw, so it takes less space than a sliding rail miter saw. It delivers a large cutting capacity, with a 4.7 inches depth and a 15.7 inches width/crosscut. The bevel controls are up front for easy access. This compact saw is portable while being compatible with a variety of 12 inches blades. This miter saw is part of the Perfactor system, which pairs bi-turbo brushless technology with a Core 18V high-power battery. Bi-turbo brushless technology is a high-performance motor and drivetrain system designed to deliver power comparable to high-demand corded tools. The miter has Eco mode, which extends the battery runtime by up to 20%. The saw features connectivity module sold separately, providing a link to a connected device via Bosch Toolbox app to customize speed selection and individual mode setting. The saw provides integrated base extensions that extend material support up to 43 inches. The 4 3/4 inches tall fence design supports taller material for accurate cuts. The kit includes a Core 18V8 high-power battery, which delivers 50% more runtime and over 75% more power than the Core 18V4A battery, powering high-demand applications. Number 5. DEWALT DWS779 12-inch. The DEWALT DWS779 sliding compound miter saw is precision at its toughest, delivering accuracy and capacity for everyday job site use. This miter saw is designed with a powerful 15-amp, 3,800 revolutions per minute motor that delivers extended power and durability. Tall sliding fences support 7.5 inch of crown nested in up to 2x14 dimensional lumbers at 90 degree and 2x10 at 45 degree. A camlock miter handle with detent override delivers quick and accurate miter angles. Stainless steel miter detent plate of the 12-inch miter saw blade comes with 10 positive stops. The miter saw has a precise miter system and machined base fence support. Precise miter system and machined base fence support camlock miter handle with detent override delivers quick and accurate miter angles for DEWALT miter saw. Tall sliding fences support 6.3/4 inch base vertically. Bevels 0 degree, 48 degree left and right. 2-inch x 14-inch dimensional lumber crosscut capacity at 90 degree and 2-inch x 10-inch dimensional lumber at 45 degree.